imaginative people are conscious of this. Imaginative people show their consciousness of it by the way they act,
More to go.
by their taste.
That's 1 unit, CJ. The bomb. Wish my name was CJ right now. All right, Thomas. It's your turn.
All right, cover. Cover.
Cover.
They're not hiding under an attempt to conform to the ideal of being awesome.
Because these worlds are so great, I forgot what I was doing.
Also people you can call relaxed people. Relaxed society. A very wonderful class of people. They're not on edge.
Get the back bottom.
You feel that your very presence around their place is a mess.
I couldn't record while my hand was holding stuff. But here we go, Mike.
But relaxed people.
Thomas, sorry. Hey, Eric. So, because we're making these custom crazy, 17 inches with the 14 and all that bit, I have to get a lot more hardware than I thought I needed. I got some stainless and I got some black oxide, but I need to get more, and I need to get, a little bit longer, like 5 millimeters here or there. So it's gonna take me just a little bit longer to get your price for everything, since we've already, done everything we've done so far. It's been a blast. I know you remember, but the people who are watching don't know. When we started this, we were just going to do like a 14 front and a 12 rear. And I think you saw one of my 17-inch forks in the background in one of my early videos and was like, I gotta have it. And then they were like, hey, what's it take to put a 14 on? I was like, oh, we just did Fernando's. So that was pretty cool. And now that we've got them all done, I need to get your hardware. So I couldn't exactly give you the quote that I was working on last night for the upgrades without all these extra bolts, because these bolts are like $1.37, $1.89, $2.30, depending on the bolt. And if I buy a whole box, it's 50 per different size that I need. And if I need 3 or 4 bolts, that's $200 that I really don't have right now. So we're just going to go ahead and get some singles. Back to it again.
I didn't see any. I saw them when you and Bob were trying to. Audrey, when they close the road, they put up big signs like this one.
How do you feel about it? It's quick. Back to it again. How do you feel about it?
Pretty good.
That's quick.
It's on the slow speed too.
Yeah, drill hog. All right, Thomas. Here's the beginnings of your swing arm. We're going to go ahead and put up some tall mounts here and here. and bring it up so that the motor can sit right here on this ledge. But she's a big girl. Just for a point of reference, I thought I'd show you what a factory arm looks like versus all the other ones. You can see the one in the back right there was like the very first swing arm I ever got, and I paid someone to build it for me, and that person now tries to compete with me. He was supposed to work with me so that he could have this company. Look at that. That's at least a 6-inch gap. From bolt hole to bolt hole, I am looking at about 6 inches. And that's to fit a 14-inch wheel. These will fit 12-inch wheels, no problem. Crazy stuff, huh? That one will fit a 12-inch wheel too. This one will fit a 12-inch wheel as well. It's not done because I was supposed to do a different motor instead of my 1020. I messed up. Oops. All right, we're working on Walker's hoop. We already have his swing arm ready. And now we just need to work on the hoop. And I'm letting the QS 120 mounts cool right now on a fan. Then I'll grind it, smooth it, make the right height. Here's our hoop. Here's our mounts.